Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from negestyle. Today I have a nail tutorial and I'm sharing with you this quick bonding, fast drying nail glue. I purchased it on Amazon. It comes 12 in a pack. It's like $5 and change. Some people don't like to work with gel. Some people don't like the UV lamp. This is the answer to your problem because this glue is magical. So first of all, you prep your nail, you clean your nail, and you size the nails and line them up as I did. And now you're ready to apply. As I mentioned in the beginning, this is quick bonding, so position it well because as soon as it touch your nail, that's it. It's drying and it's glued. So that's how I apply it. And I usually hold it for a few seconds to make sure it's glued. Anything that overlays on top of the nail, you can use your nail file and the end and file it out. So making sure it's dry. In the beginning, I thought it would take like centuries to dry, but I noticed this thing takes like 3 seconds to dry, to like bond to the nail. Now I have some space on top, so I'm adding more glue to cover the area that's not that has no glue, that's not well glued to the nail. I'm just gonna add it like so, and in a few seconds it's dry. So I'm gonna keep repeating the same process for all my nails. One thing I noticed is like this is really quick drying. I've used other nail glues, but this one, it just makes my job easier because I'm so used to using gel to apply my nails, like the gel glue. But sometimes you're rushing, sometimes you don't want to go through the whole process of using the UV lamp and opening the gel and applying and curing it and having a short lamp. Because remember, as I said earlier in my previous nail videos, you need to have the individual nail lamp or flash lamp to apply nails with the gel glue, because you cannot use a regular UV lamp to apply gel nail unless you're really like an expert or you know what you're doing, or you have to twist the machine around and everything. The best and practical way to apply nails using gel glue is to use the individual UV lamp or the flash lamp that I showed you on so many of my videos. So I just thought of sharing this with you because it's really cool, it's cheap, it's faster, it bonds quick, and please try it and tell me how it works for you, because this is my new to-go stuff. When I'm rushing to do my nail, I use this. There we go. Our nails are ready to use. These nails, listen, is the fastest and quickest I've ever applied nails because I'm so used to glue. So when you're done applying them, you use your nail cutter and cut it to the desired length, preferably short if you don't want to apply an extra coat of builder gel or poly gel. If you don't want to apply any more gel on it, it's preferable you make it short. But if you know you want it longer, I advise you to apply acrylic if you're used to acrylic, builder gel or poly gel, whatever kind of gel, structured gel on it if you want it longer, because these nails are not that strong. Although it's still, you could work with it if it's short, but if it's long, please make sure you apply another layer of building gel or poly gel and the other gels to make it harder. But at the length to which I'm cutting it, you're free to go. You're ready to go to apply your regular nail polish, or you can apply the UV lamp. For those who don't like applying UV lamp, this is better for you. You could just go ahead and apply your no UV lamp gel polish. So cut it, file it down, give it the shape you desire, and you're ready to go. After I cut my nail, as I said earlier, it's preferable to make it short if you don't want to apply any kind of UV lamp, any kind of gel on your nail, because if it's longer, you need to put the builder gel on top of it. So mine is short. I'm going to file it and clean all around, give it the desired length, and then you could go ahead and apply the regular nail polish or or gel nail polish without the UV lamp. You have stuff like that. So thank you for watching to the end of this video. I hope it inspired you. I hope you learned something, and just put a thumb up if you think this is really practical, because there's a lot of information online about on the web, on social media, about using UV lamp. So you have to use UV lamp with moderation. You don't have to overuse it. So sometimes you could use this, sometimes you could do this method to avoid constant use of UV lamp on your nails. So enjoy to the end of the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.